Welcome to our channel. Today we how to redeem NBA 2K25 locker codes. Unlock free rewards step by step clearly. First, launch NBA 2K25 and wait until you reach the main menu screen. Make sure your internet connection is active so the game can verify the code online. On the main menu, look for the My Team tile and select it to enter My Team. If you are asked to accept any terms or updates, confirm them so you can access online features. Once inside My Team, locate the Community Hub or the Home section depending on your platform. Find the option labeled Locker Codes and open it to access the redemption screen. If you do not see it immediately, scroll through the menu tabs until Locker Codes appears. Click or select the text field where you can enter a locker code. Type the locker code exactly as it is shown, including hyphens and correct letters. Double-check for common mistakes like O versus 0 and I versus 1 before submitting. Confirm the entry by selecting Redeem, Submit, or the on-screen confirmation button. Wait a moment while the game processes the code and connects to the 2K servers. If you receive an error, recheck spelling and confirm the code has not expired. If the code still fails, back out to the main menu and try again after a short restart. When the code is accepted, watch for the reward screen that confirms what you unlocked. Some codes open a pack directly, so follow the prompt to reveal the items. Other codes add rewards to your collection automatically, so check your notifications. Go to Pack Market or Unopened Packs if the reward includes a pack you need to open. Open the pack and send items to your collection when prompted. If you receive VC, MT, or tokens, check the top corner of the My Team screen for updated totals. If you receive a player card, go to My Collection to verify it is now available. If you receive a shoe, badge, or consumable, check the appropriate collection tab for it. For My Career-related codes, return to the main menu and open My Career to see delivered items. If your reward is missing, wait a few minutes because server syncing can be delayed. Check the in-game news or messages section for confirmations and additional instructions. Use trusted sources for new codes, such as official NBA 2K social posts and in-game announcements. Redeem codes quickly because many have limited time availability or limited uses. Keep a note of redeemed codes so you do not waste time trying the same one again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.